Hi, welcome to a productive-ish post-college routine video.
We are sunbathing. Hi Dishita.
This was one day when I actually started studying for NSEMs thoda after midsems. 2 weeks after midsems. It was one of those nice days when my classes ended early, so we were just trying to soak in the afternoon sun. Is stunned me because it gets so cold at night. I was actually watching this interview in the background of Alex Cooper from Call Her Daddy. Oh my god, I love her so much. She's such an icon. It was like her Forbes 30 under 30 interview. Tell me if you guys watch these interviews because I absolutely love them. Okay, I've made my bed. I have a bunch of laundry that is in the washing machine that I have to get out and put into the dryer. I have to study a lot because I have not done anything since midsems, and NSEMs are in just over a month, and I really need to stop procrastinating because I don't know what is going on in any subject. Like सब कुछ मेरे सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है, and also our syllabus for NSEMs seems to be like way more than what we had for midsems. Also, fun quirky little fact about our college is that हमारा midsem का syllabus does not come in NSEMs, so it is entirely different syllabus. And आज का dinner is YY because I do not like आज का mess का dinner. You know, I haven't been like properly watching anything these days. Like I have nothing which is like मैं ये देख रही हूँ at this moment. Like no show, like no particular YouTube channel that I'm like binge watching, and it's so weird. Like there is always something that I'm binge watching in the background of my life. Yeah, the only thing I'm binge watching is India's Got Latent. Cute little planner bag. I've actually been using this like physical planner, which I have not done in so long, and I love it so much. I'm like, all my friends will like sit on the same bench as me. We're all just sitting there and they're doing something, and I'm just scribbling something in my little planner, and they're just staring at me like, "Ye kya kar rahi hai?" Like this is what it looks like. I love it. It makes me feel like I have my life together. Guys, everything has gotten so complicated. Python. I don't know what's happening in Python. It's not Python anymore. But we're done with the Python part. It's principles of computational thinking. And now we're doing some simulation and all stuff. And it's like, I have no idea what's going on in class. And this is like the one class where I actually try to pay attention. And I still don't know what's going on. So, and oh my god, the new year is coming soon. I'm gonna make my vision board. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how desperately I need some like hope in my life by making a vision board and like thinking about all the good things that are hopefully touch wood coming next year. So much that I want to do. Like you guys have no idea. All day I'm just like thinking about the things that I want to do and trying to figure out how I'll even do them, because I genuinely have no idea how I'll do anything that I'm aiming to do, and there are so many things that I'm aiming to do, but I know that I will get there, and you guys are going to be here along with me throughout the entire journey and throughout everything, and we are going to achieve all of our 2025 goals. We are going to make that happen. Hello! Let me not show you my disgusting room. My room is so dirty, but also when is it not? So I'm just gonna vlog pretending कि मेरा room बहुत साफ है. Because we're close like that, it's okay. You won't judge me, right? You won't judge me? Yes, you won't. I'm studying eco, and I was supposed to be studying eco. I wrote this much, quite literally this much in my iPad, and then I went, and then my friends came. They were like, Avshi, what's up? I was like, I am studying. And they were like, let's hang out. I was like, yes, let's hang out. Then I went teacher, then I had coffee, and I was just roaming around. And now it is 1:50 AM. I have classes from 10:30 AM tomorrow, so I have sufficient time, but I want to study and I want to finish making notes for eco up till what we have done in class till now. So, but you know, I believe in myself. I can totally do this. let's do it. My academic comeback is going to academic comeback so hard during NSEMs. I am manifesting. So I started studying economics because it's one subject that I actually really enjoy. I've actually started trying out digital note making like on my iPad because it's convenient. I can just take my iPad everywhere instead of like a fat notebook. I'll tell you guys how it works out when I'm actually like studying and revising what I'm writing. But abhi to I'm just trying to like collate my class ki notes because my class ki notes are an absolute mess. It's just a bunch of like scribbles and half broken graphs in my notebook. I'm trying to make it all like organized and nice and pretty so that like when I study it's all organized. And the book we've been assigned is the most unhelpful resource I've ever come across. Literally missing like Sandeep Garg so much. But now I can't even refer to that because post midsems the topics we're doing are not the 11th wale topics. Something else only is happening. But it's काफी interesting. I love the fact that here I get to study so many different things and it's all so new and cool. Well, some of it is not interesting. History. I hope this gave you some inspiration to study for your boards or NSEMs or like whatever you're doing. Go do it because if you don't do it, you're the one who will have to suffer later. This is a message to myself as I'm editing this video at 3 AM when I have classes tomorrow in the morning and I'm actually supposed to be studying right now. So thank you for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.